Hi, Jody here. Didn't make it to yesterday's caravan because I was in beautiful Palm Desert with my family. Made it to Oceanside Caravan today and saw a pretty cool house near the beach in Oceanside. Take a look.